Here we are starting with the installation of arm support. The box contains left and right arm support of this chair. So this is the right hand support. So first we have to unzip this. As you have seen, remove the cover. This cover has to be removed. Apart from this, with the help of a small screwdriver, we can remove this cover also. So we are starting with the installation. With the help of the Allen key, we have to unplug these bushes. See, with the help of the Allen key, we are able to remove this for the installation of right arm support. These two we have removed, and carefully remove the third one also, which contains a nut, a washer and a bush. Okay, we have removed that also with the help of a spanner.
Next.
And
Air pipe.
This is called air pipe, and this is called connector,
Air valve connector.
which have to be inserted through this hole so that we can connect them. So now carefully connect this arm support to this main unit. You have to concentrate on the holes. Should be perfectly matched with the main unit and the right arm. Now we have perfectly matched the holes. So now we are plugging again the grip covers. Here our engineer is fixing them slowly. You can see this.
Flash.
Yeah, here we can see we have fit this perfectly. Yes. We have to completely lighten the tightening. Don't fit it tightly until we fix the third screw. So this is the air pipe which needs to connect here, and this is the connector to be connected over here. As you have seen, these are perfectly connected, and we are here to fit the third screw with the help of the spanner. Therefore too we have used the Allen key, and here we have to use this spanner which you will receive in the accessory kit. See, first we have attached the bush, then washer, then we have to tighten the nut with the help of the spanner. Here you have guided with the instruction over here.
Bush. Then
so you can here also you can see and install this bush.
Washer, screw, bolt.
Now we have completely tightened this. As we have finished, So we have to check it like these are tightened or not. Yes. Now this is the cover. So we are fixing it in this way. And here also we are closing this with the cover, which has to be fit in this way. So we are closing this and we are zipping this completely on both the sides. After this activity, we are going to fix the remote stand. Should be fitted to the right hand side of the arm support in this way. Here we have in spares you will be receiving 3 screws, out of which only 2 are fixed. 2 at opposite side, one is here and one is over here. So one can be kept as spare, that can be useful for any time. See, our engineer is fixing this in this way with the help of the screwdriver. Okay, and we see that remote stand is completely well fitted, and then this is the cover which should be pressed, and then there is a knob over here. So we have to fit this both the knobs, seeing the position, exact position of the remote. So I have already told you about this remote control unit. So we are unpacking this also and place it over here. So here we have fixed this control unit. See all the operations, you can see it on the start button, and also the user manual.
Same as it is.
In this way we have to fit the left arm support also in the same way which we have done for the right arm. And your chair will be ready for the massage.
USB.
This is USB, which will be given the option to put it over here, back side of the chair. Yes, we have plugged in. And this is the headset, and the stereo pin is to be placed over here. See, here you can see beside to the power cable. Here beside to the power switch you can you can see the fuse box. Whenever required you can open this with a start screwdriver and plug in the fuse. Now your massage chair will be ready for the use after we install this power cord, as we have done earlier also. Before the installation it has to be plugged in a power source and switched on, and there is also a switch over there that should be also on, and you can start your massage on the automatic massage chair. Thank you.